ADA compliance. Have you heard of it? If not, you definitely will soon. Today, I'm going to talk about a solution to make your website compliant. Back in 2018, the Department of Justice affirmed that websites need to be accessible. What's web accessibility? Well, let's take a look. Web accessibility is a set of rules, behaviors, code standards, and design guidelines that are meant to allow people with disabilities to effectively use websites. That's where ADA compliance comes from. Website accessibility focuses on these main areas: blindness, motor and mobility, color blindness, epilepsy, blurred vision, cognitive disorders, aging, cataracts, and more. The truth is, your website should be ADA compliant, not just because we want to help people with disabilities, we do, and that's the most important reason, but also because lawsuits have gone up 200% in the last year, which is kind of crazy. In fact, we've gotten many clients ask us, what do we do about this? How do we solve it? And we were scrambling trying to figure out the best solution. Now we have a solution, and we're super excited about it. We've partnered with a company called Accessiby. Up till now, the problem has been making your website ADA compliant is a complicated task. It takes a lot of time and a lot of money. But now using Accessiby, it's an AI-powered solution and interface that makes your website compliant within 48 hours. Let me show you how it works. Accessiby utilizes two components that together achieve compliance. The first is the Foreground application, which is responsible for 30% of the requirements. That's what you see here on the bottom right of our website, this wheelchair icon. Once that's clicked, it opens a simple but extensive interface that helps people with disabilities. For instance, you can easily adjust the font size on the website. You can see over to the right there that is adjusting the font size. And there's a billion other things, but another example is you can invert the colors of a website, which helps people with visual impairment. There's a whole host of other things. You can go into accessible mode, which automatically adjusts to screen readers. It goes on and on. But the point is, it makes it simple. Very quickly, people can adjust what they need the website to do. The second part of Accessiby is the background application, which is AI machine learning. It's responsible for 70% of the requirements, mostly related to blind people's screen reader adjustments and keyboard navigation. After Accessiby is installed on your website, it takes about 48 hours to go through your entire site with the AI to make sure your website's fully compliant. At the end, you actually receive an accessibility statement that's automatically posted on your site. But one of the coolest things is that every 24 hours, the AI goes back through your site and scans it to see if there's any new content and makes that content also compliant. So not only is it a one-time solution, it's an ongoing solution that continues to make sure that your website is up to date and running how it should be to keep compliance. If you're ready to make your website ADA compliant using Accessiby, it's super simple. First, just click the link below. Next, you'll set up an account with Accessiby for $490 a year. You'll be billed directly from them annually. They'll bill you directly. Finally, we'll get notified and we'll install the software on your site. You don't need to worry about it. Your website will be ADA compliant from there on out. So it's that simple. If you have any questions about ADA compliance or Accessiby or anything else I've covered in this video, feel free to shoot me an email. Thanks a lot.